Now, Yahira Kuku, you to get ready for abetting of crime because you were part and complicit of the people who were going to the NDC team that was going to meet this stupid girl to give her 1 million so that she can give you a supposed picture of Akufo Addo. So Yahira Kuku, somebody should tap that stupid boy too. Because he was on the platform when this girl started all this foolishness. Tap that fool. Not it one Moses Boni, a microphone, all because you want Muhammad to become president. Now, conversation ayandra ebinu abo. Okay, conversation ayandra ebinu abo no. Mebobi to authenticate what they have done. But me dear, I'm going to start off by disputing the fact say or no can say sebi hopes na doye enya no ne target na Akufo Addo na aye bibi Akufo Addo na threatening no. Me brother, but the first way, mommy, please. But the first audio, mommy. Let me hear the first audio.
Let the first audio read. Akufo Addo picture. Maybe sending a reaction. I'm on. And me see a message you and I make all my team say me. Me me a chance right next 1 second. Na time only make us you know. I should have requested 1 minute to just talk to him because I even don't like the introduction you did. You didn't. This is not introduction. Lady Wayne and go for bar. Yes, say. I don't think. Maybe for wait a maybe sending in the menu Akufo Addo picture. Maybe sending a reaction. I'm on. And me see a message you and I make all my team say me. Me a chance right next 1 second. Na time only make us you know. I should have requested 1 minute to just talk to him because I even don't like the introduction you did. You didn't. This is not introduction. Lady Wayne and go for bar. Yes, say. I don't think my name was even mentioned. I don't think so. Bomi Dimpo. And I'm saying if you now say only make us you know. Now say me take you 1 second. I'm so because she not properly. I'm introducing myself. Say me any parts messy now. Not for anything, Grana. I mean, me just say me didn't cry, but you know, but at least, you know, just to have introduced myself properly. I'm hoping that one day I'll get a chance to meet him again. Anyways, Inti, that's a me the name picture. I'm going to be tracking. Me also me no old picture, but I'm replacing that here me. But and right, it's not came my free one, and I make Kai say I should have properly introduced myself to the president. This is one-time opportunity you get in a lifetime to sit next to the president of your country. And tonight I was there, me taking the proper opportunity to introduce myself because I think the introduction we are now, so they'll say, Madam Yi na Baha, the uncle for part of the party or go for Baha, the more.
A man who has given you a privilege, nobody in your family ever would you presidential. You steal a picture, post it. You are told by national security to pull it down, and you turn the case around. Say Akufo Addo is trying to kill you. Kill you for what? Kill you, Serwaa, for what? Akufo Addo mekum. Na train. Semne boba. We are smart here. Wunya sa penny pan MPP penny pan oba Canada ha udi na chire onu kodu Ghana o ka chire ni se wa ma uga dia o be ba be ka chire ne yire no sky he na man ne de ma sky he na de ma tell you are trying to play a victim card and there is evidence that when take sika what is sika so that implicates and complicates your situation more. Well, we did not want to say, and Crawford so muna, and Crawford so power. Wo na wo ye extortion. Na me papa mo ha. Se mu hu the way I gave we ye na dwuma. Me kire mu ade bi. Ansa na ya papa hopes na doye ebe ware na yere gift adoye. Ana mamefo ana sister fo mienu bi. Omi ni na social media friends. Omene mama say where ya your friends Serwaa Broni your friends. You understand? Now, sister no, no oh, if man you cry, you who yanche you. Now so to me Kenya bad. And not sound like I tell so me the same when him say me a lesbian na na intino me de bibi na so there be o hwani na and as you cry man no cry no on to kill fancy because hopes in your type of man I be need the other year. Say what these were your words to your friends. One lives in London, one lives in Ghana currently in the government right now. Utie today office will be a moto. Muntie ye share the page nanko na say echo. And almost say for hopes in our see there be. Mimianom, mama ne papa fast forward. E wo mo na ge we ani ba ne ho so say sa hopes no o when him dia kakra wo Ghana yini mu o. But that time no Honorable Hobson was already on the way of marrying the wife. And he gift yadoye. The day this girl saw say Ampa Hobson was going to marry no, or when she went back to them on only now for fun to say hey Nentimo Mikuno Hobson Amadina Mo be warena. This was Serwaa's words. So you'll be great information. I want to hear victim. You will know. Yes, you're threatening we would expose you with the truth. No krano kwani the baby who no be ni papa. When they see you, they need to run away. The same woman who claims say Ompe Hobson because Hobson ya ibeni sebe. Ompe Hobson because Hobson ya why no. I feel the Hobson na ko waria. Girl we ya ni diatre. Inti sister ne say oh wa na girl na friend no na say where your friend no hey namo I don't like what your friend is doing no I know he's married and all of that but at least he has to pay some attention to me no me say na man ni ya de man wo se wo mpe say papa you are worried enti wo kura no why are you even calling the man there now there I'll talk to you guys enti me Honorable Hopes in kasa ye no dia me ya an interrogation na me nya from Honorable Hopes in Oba Canada no Oba in May. Okay. Anawo Mami we say we. Eno wa ho hwehwe la ya. Wo ko ye ena sebi. Hopes in chiwo enu dwe mo. Ya papa Hopes in say oda ho oti na ni ano hu say wa so di krum ejina mpa ne so